Hey guys, it's me Abby. So today I'm going to be doing my hair. It is the first day of summer. I got out of school today at 10:45, took my last finals, and I was out. And I was just like, you know what? I needed some change. I just need something new. I'm sick of this boring brown hair, and I hate how frizzy it is right now. Oh my god. It's hot as balls. I'm going to be cutting my hair back to its shoulder length, and then I'm gonna be cutting some bangs, and then I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. Where did all my dye stuff go? And then I'm gonna be dyeing my hair red because I don't care. I want to do something new. I've never done red hair before. Okay, I'm sorry, this lighting is so bad, but lighting is just not good in my bathroom, so I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna start by parting my hair down the middle. I'm first gonna cut just like my normal hair. I really don't like having long hair. Like, it's nice, it looks good sometimes, but it is just in my way and I'm just over it. So I'm gonna tie my hair into ponytails. I'm gonna do a little bit longer than I want just so that I can trim it and it won't look bad, you know? I've never really cut my hair before. I've trimmed it before, but I've never like gave myself like a full haircut, so this is gonna be really interesting. So here's how much hair I'm gonna cut off. My ends are so dry and so dead, it's disgusting. I'm using kitchen scissors or just like regular big girl scissors because I don't have kitchen shears, and I really don't feel like buying hair scissors. So this is what we're working with. I'm just gonna go right in. Ooh, okay, that was something. I really gotta trim this, but you know. This is what the end result is. Alright, now I'm gonna just trim it. So what I do is I cut upwards. That's gonna give us like that not straight kind of look because we don't want it to be like a blunt cut, unless you like that, but I don't want like a blunt cut. Like going through and just not gonna lie, it's a little shorter than I thought it was gonna be, but hey, it's cute, whatever. I'm going to Texas looking like a new woman.
New hair, new me.
Wow, I really missed having my short hair. Oh my god. Yes. With my bangs, I watched so many videos on this. So you're supposed to make a triangle on the front of your head. I've never cut my own hair or cut my own bangs before, so this is gonna be really fun. Guys, this is happening all so fast. So this is what we're gonna do. You're supposed to twist it where you want to cut it. I'm gonna make it a little bit long first, just so I don't fuck it up and get my bangs like up to here. That's a cute look, really is. My hair is like really naturally like wavy, so my bangs are like super wavy, but I'm gonna like straighten them out and just see like how it looks. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, we're gonna straighten them out because they're like really like messy and wavy. Oh, and then what I have to do is just take like a strand of hair and I'm gonna like create like little, I'm gonna like cut slanting, if that makes any sense. I'll like frame my face a little bit. I might need to cut this a little bit more. And then we're gonna cut on this side. Yeah, I definitely need to cut this more. I'm just scared to cut too much off my bangs. I'm gonna cut my left hand. We're gonna see how this goes. No, that's not good. I didn't do anything. How did I do this on my right side? This is not going as expected. I'm getting there, but like I'm not there. All right, now my straightener is ready. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair anyways. I just want to see what it would look like with my hair straightened. There's hair all over my face. That's how sweaty I am. That is disgusting. I don't know how I feel about this. It doesn't look bad, actually. It really does not look bad. I just don't know. I'm not used to it. I haven't had bangs in so long. Okay. Actually, yeah. It's pretty cute. Oh my god, I actually really like it. A little like Dora-like, TBH, but like it's not bad. So So I didn't know this until now, but my uncle had actual hair scissors here. I used kitchen scissors to cut my hair. Alright, now my boyfriend wants to see, so we're gonna get his reaction. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm so scared for you to see.
I'm excited.
I'm so scared. Okay.
See.
Okay. Okay. Huh?
You're cutie.
¿Te gusta?
Did you cut it yourself?
Yeah.
I like it. It looks pretty. When are you gonna dye it?
Right now.
Holy shit, you're gonna do all that to your hair all at once?
Yeah. Honest opinion, like, what do you think?
I like it.
I like it in a ponytail. It's really cute.
I really like that, bro. Oh my god. It looks super pretty.
You're-
Dye your hair, baby. Call me back afterwards.
Okay. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
It looks really cool. I'm excited for the red.
Same. So he liked it. I don't know how much of that was lying, but it's weird having something on my forehead. Like, not gonna lie, this makes my forehead super sweaty. Yes! Oh my god, this is like a very ratchet setup. Why didn't I just do this before? Okay, so I got 3 volume developer. Turns out I already had a huge thing here, so I'm kind of pissed. I just like wasted a little bit of money, but it's fine. I got 2 colors. I got the color Magenta and the color Red. And I'm gonna mix these 2 because I want to get like a dark red color, but I don't want like red, but I also don't want like a pinky tone. I want it to like a nice little mix, so I'm gonna do that. I've dyed my hair so many times in my life, and I've never used petroleum jelly or Vaseline around my face to like make sure it doesn't get dyed, and it always gets stained. So I'm gonna use this. There's still hair on my face, but we're just gonna ignore it. I'm just like lathering this shit on. Ew, now my hands are all fucking greasy. I'm honestly kind of scared about this. So I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Excellence Hicolor Highlights in Magenta. Also, this is for dark hair only because it's gonna like lift my hair without having me like bleach it and then do the red dye. Okay, it doesn't really have any instructions, TBH. Okay, got all that out. This one was the red one. That's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna use the Magenta color. And I don't really know how much developer I have to put in. I'm just gonna kind of pour it in and just like estimate, because the amount doesn't really matter that much. I don't want my hair to come out like super freaking bright. I don't know how this is gonna go because this is pretty bright. It is like a pretty good thick paste. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section off my hair. Okay guys, I'm honestly really fucking scared. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Yep. I'm gonna dye my, oh wow, this is like burning my eyes a little bit. My eyes are starting to water. This stuff is really potent. It definitely smells like permanent hair dye, let me tell you. The smell, oh my god. Put it on my hair here. She's not gonna be left out. Okay, so I just finished my hair. Camera cut off, so I couldn't see the whole process, but I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes and then I will be right back. Okay, so my hair is officially processed and I'm going to rinse it out. I'm gonna take a little shower too and just kind of rinse off all this extra dye and we'll see how it comes out. So I just got out of the shower. I just rinsed out all my hair dye and my shower is literally like red. It looks like I just like murdered someone in my bathroom. I am un poquito nervous. I just wanted to share some hair products that I've been really liking. I really like the, I don't know how to say that. OUA? I think it's OUA? I don't know. Hair care, it's their hair oil. If you have an Ipsy membership, you can get this for cheaper and get like cash back for it. I got a sample in my Ipsy bag and I was like, ooh, this is really nice. I also got this in my Ipsy bag. This is the Trisola leave-in conditioner. This literally smells like cupcakes, like dead ass cupcakes. It's so good. Oh my god, it makes your hair smell like a friggin' bakery. Oh my god, you can see it in the light. I've never had red hair before. This is so weird. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna straighten it and we'll see how it goes. I look like an anime character. low-key. Okay, so here is the finished product. I kind of do look like an anime character a little bit. I was just told I look 14, so that'll be a senior, so that's fun. It's like a purpley red, and I like that. Yeah, and I like the bangs. I don't know, I'm kind of getting used to them. We'll see how I like them in a few days. I'm a little bit iffy, but hair grows back. It's just weird having something on my forehead all the time. It's very weird. I'm about to do my makeup, and I'm gonna like put on some clothes and take some selfies for my Instagram because I want to document this experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see any more hair videos, oh my god, this thing, it's like way in my eyes. If you want to see more videos of mine, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to receive new videos in your subscription box. And if you want to get notifications every single time I upload, please hit the notification bell in the or next to the subscription button. Guys, it's so fucking hot. Please leave a comment with any of your comments, questions, or concerns, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I just finished editing the video that you're watching right now. I just wanted to come back on here because it's been like about a month since I filmed that video. I was on vacation for a couple weeks, and then I was working. I just didn't have time to edit this video, but I'm finally finished with it, and I just wanted to kind of check in, let you guys know how it's been. I've really gotten used to these bangs. I honestly can't really imagine myself without them. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my bangs and the red color. Like, people just say it just fits my face well, and like they really think it brings out my personality. So I really like it. After I filmed that outro, I did cut it a bit more because I realized it was just really in my eyes, and I realized that the longer bangs look kind of looked more like I was an anime character, which is nothing wrong with that. Nothing against anime, but I just wanted to cut it more. It was really in my eyes, and I was like, this is just not good. I do have to trim them again, but the thing with bangs is that you have to trim them like every couple weeks or so, and I haven't trimmed them in a long time. I haven't cut them since I did it for the first time. As for the red hair, you can't really see its full potential inside. Like in the indoors, it's like this dark, like burgundy red kind of color, which I really like. It's like not as bright inside, but then when you go outside, you see it's kind of like it's a brighter red. It looks way more vibrant. As for taking care of it, I have this shampoo and conditioner that has red dye in it. I believe the brand's called Quantum, so it kind of keeps my red hair like nice and bright. I haven't noticed any fading, and I've washed it like several times. But yeah, it still looks pretty good. I do notice my roots are kind of going in a teensy tiny bit, but you can barely see it. Also, I didn't realize this until later, but I missed like a whole chunk like near my roots, like on the under layers of my hair, but I don't really care. That doesn't really bother me. If you're wanting to dye your hair red, it is a very hard color to keep up. Very high maintenance. Like, it bleeds so much, so when you're showering, like, it's gonna, like, red hair dye is gonna come out no matter what. I've had this hair color for like a month, and it's still bleeding red, no matter what shampoo or conditioner I use. And how many times I've washed it. It's just the way the color is. It doesn't stick well to your hair as much. I do like use like darker towels and stuff, and like when it's wet, it will drip red on your clothes. Also, when I've gone swimming a couple times in the chlorine, like a swimming pool, it has dripped red when I got my hair wet. But it's just like a light pink. It's not that big of a deal. I don't really care if it's dripping around because it's just whatever. Like, it doesn't like stain your skin if it's diluted with that much water. It does bleed a lot in a lot of different situations, so that's something to keep in mind. So far, so good. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions about what products I use, and like anything, like if you have any questions on anything I did, or like you want like a more in-depth tutorial on how I cut my hair, like any questions about like hair, like I've been doing my hair for so long. I've dyed it multiple times in my life, and I've cut my hair, and so like I wouldn't say I'm an expert, but like I know what I'm doing in terms of DIY hair cutting and like hair dyeing. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.